What's happening, Unbox fam? Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box and, well, my hotel room here in Taipei, Taiwan, where Asus flew us out to check out their latest and greatest at Computex 2019. Last year, they wowed us with their assortment of notebooks that weren't in the Republic Gamer sub-brand. This included the really tiny Zenbook 13 and the Zenbook Pro that had the ScreenPad. This year isn't any different with the lineup that they showed us, but they did improve on that secondary display that's tucked in the trackpad, which they're now calling ScreenPad 2.0, and now it's trickled down to the VivoBook line as well. That's something we're going to be discussing in a different video, but for this one, we wanted to show you guys one of their darlings for this year's Computex that improves upon the idea of having a secondary display, the Asus Zenbook Pro Duo. Now let's not beat around the bush here, since it's clearly in the name. Yes, you have a secondary display, but instead of having it tucked in the trackpad, almost half of the bottom part of the notebook is a touchscreen. They're calling this the ScreenPad Plus, and it's a 14-inch touchscreen that interacts seamlessly with the primary display, according to their press release. And as you can imagine, there are multiple ways that this can help you out with your workflow. May it come to creating spreadsheets, or you can even free up and give you more real estate in things like Photoshop or maybe Premiere Pro when you're editing videos, or having your source material on the secondary display, so it's a lot more convenient to type up articles or papers you might need to do without having to jump from tab to tab. Now there are two variants for the Zenbook Pro Duo. There's a 15.6-inch model with a 4K display that has a 100% DCI-P3 coverage and a contrast ratio that makes the colors just pop out of the screen. That one is powered by an i9 processor, up to 32 gigabytes of RAM, and has a 1TB PCIe SSD plus an RTX 2060, so you can game on it if you wanted to. The 14-inch version gets a bit of a downgrade with a full HD display and a smaller screen pad at 12.6 inches. That one is powered by an i7 processor, up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, and the same storage, but you're only getting an NVIDIA MX250 for this one. Obviously, because of the ScreenPad, the keyboard has been moved all the way to the front of the chassis, much like their ROG Zephyrus notebooks, so it might take a while to adjust to the typing experience on the Zenbook Pro Duo, but they did include a removable palm rest to help out in that situation. No price has been announced for the Zenbook Pro Duo as of making this video, but you can rest assured that we will update you guys as soon as we find out. There's also a hands-on article up on the website. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you want to learn more about this notebook. So that's it for this video, guys. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next ones. If you have any questions, just leave them down below and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph, plus follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Jamie. Peace, God bless, and I'll see you guys next time.